'Tis the season, everyone. Are you feeling like me, where all you are surrounded by is the sweet treats? And when we're trying to be low carb, we don't need that temptation. We're hanging out by a thread as it is. Of course we want your cookies, Grandma. Of course we do. But I am here to save you, because for me, the top 3 things in my holiday months that I need substitutions for, like good substitutions. Not just like, this is a good recipe. I need something that gives the original high carb, high sugar, high calorie version a run for its money. So today I'm gonna be sharing with you my top 3 things that are necessities this holiday season. Pumpkin pie, hot chocolate, and a good peanut butter cookie. But we are making them all low carb, and I'm gonna show you how to do it here. It's gonna be amazing, and I hope you can put these in your back pocket for this holiday season when you want something that will keep you on track, but will also satisfy your cravings. So let's start off timeline-wise with what would naturally be the first one, which is Thanksgiving time, pumpkin pie. I developed this recipe years ago now, and it is still in my arsenal as one of my favorites. This is a pumpkin pie mousse, and you make it in a mug in the microwave. Could not get any easier. Let's do it. Here is everything that you're going to need. My full recipe will be linked down in the description box as well, so you can click there and grab it. But let's start over here. So you're gonna need some almond flour. Definitely get the 100% pumpkin, where the only ingredient is pumpkin. Don't buy the pumpkin pie filling because it will be loaded with sugar and carbs, and we don't want that. You're also gonna need some baking powder, some pumpkin pie spice, your preferred granulated sweetener, coconut oil or vegetable oil, and then some either heavy cream or half and half, whatever you have will work. Okay, first thing we're gonna do is mix together all of the dry ingredients. I'm gonna do it right inside of the mug that I'm gonna be using in the microwave, so it just makes it easy for cleanup. Okay, now I'm gonna take my coconut oil, and mine's very solid. So I'm going to just stick this in the microwave just to warm it up so that it can mix easily into all the other ingredients. So now let's add in all of our wet ingredients. This couldn't be any easier. We're gonna add in that coconut oil. You could also use vegetable oil too. I personally love that there's no egg in this because I just do. So this is gonna go into the microwave. What I'm gonna do, get it all off my spatula. We do not want to waste any of this beautiful mixture. I'm gonna use this measuring spoon to just do a level top. And then we are going to pop this into the microwave for 1 minute and 20 seconds. And then I'll show you how I like to garnish this, but guys, low carb pumpkin pie. See you in a minute. This is piping hot. I just took it out of the microwave. Look at how amazing this is. So before we add any toppings to this mug mousse, it is only 3.5 grams of net carbs. That is a dream in my book. And wait till you taste this to then know that it's such low carb. It's gonna blow your mind. It will literally blow your mind. So what I'm gonna do is do a little center of whipped cream on there, and then, ooh, a little pinch of pumpkin pie spice I think will do the trick. OMG, you guys, come on. Okay, I cannot wait. Oh my gosh, the smell is holiday. The smell is holiday. Let's see what the taste is. Perfection. Absolute perfection. Enjoy this hot or cold, per your permission. Hot, it's amazing. It's like a warm, baked, fresh baked pie. Having it cold is like traditional pumpkin pie for me. Cold pie, cold whipped cream. But honestly, you do you. Whatever you prefer, just make this. This is amazing. And if you're like me, because I make my sausage and pumpkin soup all the time, I just have this always on hand in one form or another. It's either in the fridge or it's in the pantry. Everything else is pretty much a staple in my pantry, so I could whip this together anytime I want. Let me tell you about this. It's the texture of pumpkin pie filling with all of the flavors that you know and love, and you're not missing anything. But like I said, it's 3.5 grams of net carbs only, plus whatever the whipped cream is that you add on top. This has been such a winner in my book every holiday season, because even when everyone was here for Thanksgiving, I would pop this into the microwave just for myself as a dessert to have with my coffee after a Thanksgiving dinner. No more words. Let's move on to hot chocolate. So my journey to finding low carb swaps for all of my favorites never ends. I've been doing this since 2013, documenting it online since 2016. That's where my blog started. Hot chocolate is one of those things where if it's done correctly, I cannot stop drinking it. It's almost like addictive. You take one sip, you want another, you want another. It's very easy to mess up hot chocolate. Hot chocolate is not all created equal, sadly. But what I found is that after a lot of trial and error, I have found the perfect keto, paleo, low carb hot chocolate, and it happens to be today's video sponsor. Today's video sponsored by Element. If you've been following my journey lately on Instagram, which if you're not, you totally should. I'm on there daily. Let's chat, let's be friends. Hot chocolate has become my afternoon savior sweet treat. So I got the chocolate medley from Element. It only comes out once a year, but if you're watching this and it's not holiday time, you can get chocolate caramel, regular chocolate. You can get that all year round, so don't stress. But the chocolate medley comes around once a year. It's chocolate mint, chocolate raspberry, chocolate chai. So what I've been doing every afternoon is instead of going to the pantry, that weird time between lunch and dinner where like you want a snack, you want even something sweet sometimes, and you're like, what do I have? You have a packet of your electrolytes. That's what you do. That's what I've been doing. So I will make one packet every day. That is when I get my electrolytes in now. It's Pennsylvania where I'm at. It's freezing. This is the perfect thing to keep you going, satisfy the sweet tooth, and it actually fills me up so that then I'm good to go until dinner time. Added bonuses of electrolytes, specifically Element, is that in here is a science-backed electrolyte ratio of magnesium, sodium, and potassium. So not only are you satisfying your cravings and staying on track, you're also replenishing all of your electrolytes. Element fits perfectly into this video because every single packet is only between 0 to 2 carbs each. So you're getting no sugar. It's good for keto, paleo, gluten-free, vegan. There's no weird ingredients in here, which is why I love this version of hot chocolate. This time of the year, I know I'm going to need my electrolytes. I'm running around like a chicken with her head cut off. I need to stay my best, stay on point. When my electrolytes are lacking, me personally, I get really bad sleep, I get Charlie horses in the middle of the night, and I get nasty headaches that come out of nowhere and have no explanation. Since incorporating electrolytes over a year ago, symptoms are gone. Everything's gone. And I feel so good. That afternoon slump that I would have, non-existent, because now I'm just powering through with my hot chocolate. So this is here. Get this now while you can. Trust me, just do it. And anybody who orders from the Element website, in your next order, make sure you use my code HART so that you get a free sample pack. And in the sample pack, you're gonna get 8 of their most popular packet flavors for you to try for free. So all you need to do is go to drinkelement.com/heart. So that's drinkelement.com/heart, H-A-R-T. And then you can get your free sample pack. Thank you to Element for sponsoring today's video. Okay, so let me show you exactly how I make this hot chocolate. Couple of things that are going to be really important. I like to use a fast boil kettle. I have this one linked down below. This is the one I've had for years now. I love it. It's so cute and it's easy to use. All you need to do is plug it in, and then we are going to add in our water. The cool thing about this fast boil kettle is, so right down here, those red pieces actually show you how much water you are putting in. So all I do is fill this up with how much water I need, and it's so quick. They call it fast boil for a reason. And then all you do Put it down. It's blue. Once it's done, it will turn off. Perfect. Amazing. Give it a couple minutes and we will be ready to go. Okay, so while that is heating up, I thought we could do a really festive mug today. What do you guys think? This is from Pottery Barn from a couple of years ago, but they do still have them. So cute. And also too, when I'm having this hot chocolate, I like to really savor it and really enjoy it. So I make it part of like my afternoon ritual. And to me, it's just fun. Like I pick out my mug. I like have a plan for the next 15 minutes of just sitting and relaxing. If my kids are home, I'm gonna hang out with them. They love to, you know, dip their fingers into my whipped cream. But there's also 2 different ways that I like to top this. And we still have to figure out what flavor we're gonna do. So now we have to decide which flavor we're going to do. So these are all of the chocolate flavors that I have that Element makes. And I'm honestly kind of leaning towards the chocolate caramel. They're all really good, but I kind of feel like a caramel one today. There's chocolate, chocolate chai, chocolate raspberry, and chocolate mint also. Okay, so we're going with chocolate caramel. Ooh, we can smell it already. Okay, so now I have 2 different ways that I like to top this hot chocolate. So you could go the marshmallow route, and I get these on Amazon. They're really good. You cannot tell that they are a low carb marshmallow. These taste exactly like a normal marshmallow. So that's that. Or we can go with the tried and true. You guys know I'm whipped cream obsessed. So it's kind of up in the air. Leave me down in the comments. What are you topping your hot chocolate with? Whipped cream or marshmallows? Perfect world. What are you topping your hot chocolate with? I think today I'm going with my tried and true because it is so good. Look at that. This is heaven in a cup, I promise you. When I tell you this is the best hot chocolate I've had in years, I'm telling the truth. It's so good. It's crazy how this becomes the best hot chocolate ever. It really is, believe me. If you're skeptical, I'm with you. That was me too. Then I started drinking this with hot water, with some whipped cream, and game changer. Seriously, if you are keto or low carb or even vegan or gluten-free and you're looking for a hot chocolate that really just warms you from the inside out, that actually tastes good, do it. Just do it. Fun fact, story time really quick. We recently just went to like a Christmas light show outdoors and they sell hot chocolate there. I brought this exact packet. I brought the chocolate caramel packet and I asked them to just put hot water into a cup for me. And then I did 1 packet of the electrolytes and I walked around with my cup of hot chocolate, loving life. I'm telling you guys, this is a must if you're low carb, or anybody really, but the benefits are great. The taste is even better. So think about that. You're getting all these electrolytes, but then you're also tasting something that's just so good for you. And it's low calorie, 5 calories each, plus the whipped cream calories, but you can't go wrong with that. It's just become a part of my afternoons and I had to share it with you guys because if I'm low carb, I need to have these substitutes to make it make sense for me. Pumpkin pie, hot chocolate, and a great cookie recipe. So next we're gonna be making my favorite cookie recipe. It's another staple for my blog. Can't wait to share it with you guys again, but let's do it because we need a cookie this time of the year. You need to have that sweet treat. Say it with me, cookies are life. Cookies are life. Yes, they are. And even if we're low carb, we have to crush our cravings. These cookies are perfect. They're so easy. There's 3 ingredients? 4 ingredients if you count the vanilla. So 4 ingredients. These come together so fast. My oven is preheating at 350 while I mix everything together here. 1 bowl, so easy. So all we're gonna do is mix together 1 cup of peanut butter, any one you want. This recipe is very forgiving. Use Skippy, use all natural, which is what I used. It doesn't matter. And then you're gonna do 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of your favorite granulated sweetener. I used a stevia granulated sweetener. And this is what we're looking for, a big ball of dough. Just mix it together for at least 30 seconds and it will start to come together just like this. And now we're going to get these ready to bake. Okay, and then to get that signature cookie top, I'm gonna take a potato masher and I just push it down just like that. Whoever said a potato masher has no use in a low-carb kitchen? It totally does. Okay, so now we're going to pop these into the oven for 12 to 13 minutes. These are hot, but they are amazing. Oh my gosh. You should totally let them cool completely, then they won't crumble. But I couldn't wait. Ooh. Not on purpose, but I used chunky peanut butter. I don't think I can go back now. I think I have to use chunky. I love the chunks of peanuts in this. Mmm. You guys. Do yourself a favor, make these, let them cool completely so they don't fall apart on you. Oh my gosh, so good. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Would you like a part 2? A couple of recipes that didn't make this video: peanut brittle, low carb. Amazing, by the way. A low carb brownie, mug cakes upon mug cakes. I've got so many in my arsenal. Let me know down in the comments if you would like a part 2 to this video, if you like having these sweet treats for when the craving hits. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye, guys.